Dr. Mamta. She's a pediatrician right here on the airwaves of Talk 100.3 Daybreak per.
We were talking to, the listeners about flu and why is it important to go and get your flu shots. Could you talk to us a little bit about, the seasonal flu and how do we look after ourselves, the elderly and the young lads?
Yeah, see, when the weather changes, definitely the kids, they tend to fall sick and they can have cough, cold and running nose, coryza, fever also.
Mm-hmm.
So how you need to take care is you should first, not every fever needs antibiotic, not every fever needs strong medicine. So keep them home, don't send them to school, keep them hydrated, give them symptomatic medicines if needed, like for cold and cough. But usually with rest, good hydration and, with fluids and liquids and good food, they recover well. Not every time you need to give them cough syrups or antibiotics, or you need to take them to the doctor. But yes, be vigilant if your child is not eating, getting lethargic, cough is increasing. Definitely you need to see.
So a runny nose, doctor, is good enough, because if that is persistent for almost 10 days or 12 days and no medication is helping, is that okay? Is that a different way of the body kind of reacting to the infection? Or, is that my cue to go to the doctor? The doctor apparently seems to be not giving us an antibiotic. Is that okay to deal with it?
For the running nose, there is no antibiotic required because of the body's response to the viruses. And usually, when there is just these viruses, seasonal viruses, they don't respond to antibiotics. It is just the body's immunity which takes care of all these symptoms. You need to be vigilant if your child is not eating. If this coryza is leading to increase in cough, or if your child is not able to sleep well at night and lethargic or irritated, definitely see the
Dr. Mamta, you started really well that it's not, if it's light flu and you see that your child is not in worse condition, not necessarily going for antibiotics or going to the doctor. So usually, mothers वो कहती हैं कि अगर कुछ नहीं लोगे और हल्का फुल्का सा सीजनल आपको खांसी जुकाम है तो वो 7 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा. डॉक्टर्स के पास जाएं तो वो कहते हैं कि 1 हफ्ते में ठीक हो जाएगा. So usually when exactly you should be heading to your health practitioner? Is it when the cough is dry, when there is a lot of phlegm perhaps, or very runny nose and you can see, weird colors? How would you guide the listeners and, of course, those parents who have children?
Yes. So first thing what I'll tell them is give your child rest. उनको school मत भेजिए आप. Or keep them hydrated. If the diet is okay, we are eating okay, then don't worry.
And when you say hydrated, is it water? Is it soups?
Yes.
Okay.
Water also and soup also, because in this weather the children don't tend to drink enough water.
Right.
Because it's already cold and the body doesn't demand water all the time. And the kids, especially when they're indoors, they are not asking for water.
Doctor, could you talk to us a little bit more about flu shots? Who should be getting flu shots? Who are eligible for the flu shots? Can I take my little one and give him a flu shot just before we travel? And what is the right time to give the flu shot?
Yes, it's a very important question. See, everybody every child and everybody who's more than 6 months old is eligible for flu shot. Only infants who are less than 6 months old, we don't give them flu shot. First. Second is, whenever the flu season starts, that is in the beginning of August or September, every year we get a new flu shot depending upon the seasonal viruses for that particular year. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, in the month of August or September, as soon as the new flu vaccine is available with your health practitioner, with your pediatrician, or in the clinic you visit, please visit there and give your child or yourself a flu shot. This flu shot protects from that particular, those particular viruses which will be more prevalent in that particular year.
Correct.
Suppose it's have taken in August, September in 2025. So till 2026, you are sort of protected.
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't mean you will not get flu, you will not get fever, you will not get influenza, but yes, your severity, your symptoms will be less.
But besides the vaccine now, doctor, what are the most, according to you, the most effective ways to prevent or catching and spreading the flu? Because you have to understand the mindset of 2020. Your smallest itch in the nose brings in COVID-19 now. Differentiating between symptoms, cold symptoms and flu symptoms is now becoming next to impossible. Could you help us understand this?
It is next to impossible because, they are overlapping and they are same. But if they are mild, if they are, getting sorted automatically, then you don't need to see a doctor or pediatrician. As I repeated earlier, I will again repeat the same thing that, first and most important thing is immunity of your child. Get the child checked yearly or at least 6 monthly. See if your child is falling sick very regularly. As soon as he goes to school, he brings again cough and cold. Again in the weekends, he's okay. And when he again goes to the school in Monday, Tuesday, again he's having cough and cold. That means immunity also needs to be addressed.
Dr. Mamta, quickly now asking you that there was a time people used to say that a regular flu every 6 months or twice a year is healthy for the system. What would you say? Is this true?
No, I mean, see, falling sick is never healthy or unhealthy. It is like, it is just the body's response. But if the body can tackle on its own without needing, antibiotics or without needing stronger medicine, that's fine.
I think everybody would need a body like that. Thank you so much, Dr. Mamta. I wish we could continue this conversation, but thank you for...
Again, before going,
yes,
I will
please.
just tell plus, please take care of the immunity, take care of the vitamins, take care of the deficiencies. Your child needs proper sleep, proper diet, and proper exposure. Exposure meaning like activities, sports,
Correct.
and other things.
Sure. Thank you so much once again.
Doctor.